Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we will be continuing with the West Ham United rebuild. Today's episode will be episode 14. No, yeah, 14 of the West Ham United rebuild. I'm pretty sure it's 14, but I might be wrong. Last episode, there wasn't really too much building. I'm pretty sure we were facing Liverpool in the FA Cup finals. I'm pretty sure it. That's fine with me. So we're gonna start off this game. So we're gonna start the episode with the Premier League game against Everton, who we knocked out in the Carabao Cup or the FA Cup. Let me check. FA Cup. I don't really get these cup things in this game. Renato Sanchez is already growing a lot. But this video is not sponsored. Yeah, let's keep this thing so check this. Okay, by my strongest starting 11. They have Delph on this team. I think I'll make our team I'm probably make our team attack down the right flank, even though they have Keane. But I'm gonna make us attack it down the right flank just to. Actually, I don't think so. Since we already scored 3 goals, I'm gonna calm it down a little bit. Like that, and then Zinho on there low. Wow, good one, a clean sheet. I'm debating on Alex Mayer. I mean, I have scouted Dean Henderson. His potential is only 92. So if Dean Henderson comes back a little bit better, then I'll have to make a decision. I have to make a decision about whether or not to bring in a better keeper. So I think we'll go to see. I think I'll probably make the decision either this episode or maybe even next episode. Oh, Jones Conde is injured. That is not happening on my watch, guys. He's a very keen player. Fernando Sanchez pick up the player of the month, and he's already in the Premier League team of the month. That is pretty good. Liverpool are actually. No, this is the West Ham rebuild, so nah. So let's get into this game against Leicester City. So check is back, so we'll take off Bowen. So I'm probably gonna rotate the squad. Let's bring on Nyong. Let's bring on Gagliardini. Let's take off Palacios. Why not? Let's bring on Suchek. And let's bring on. Yeah, that's all we're gonna do. Let's rotate the squad a little bit. These two fitness issues. Yeah, still scoring. Let's bring on Frederick. Let's bring on back on Palacios. Manzini. Let's bring on this. What? Oh, okay. I already used 3 subs. Well, sad, but. Oh, that's close. And we're still conceding some goals. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go for another keeper, yeah. As you know, last episode we were scouting for a keeper. I made my scout, I made my scout, what's his name? Scout Dean Henderson. And then I made a scout, go to Europe and find, a young keeper. So, you'll see what comes back to us. Just Conde's back in. Steven Bergwijn's back in. Hopefully, let's just give this guy a finisher. And then let's bring up. I'm gonna keep the squad. I'm gonna rest Gagliardini. Actually, no. I'm gonna rest Palacios. Yeah. Jamie Vardy. Come on, Pablo Fornal scores there. Oh, shit. Okay, so we can go like that. I'm gonna holler at it. No, okay, so we can go like that. There we go. Oh, no. Ooh, what? And the keeper's Joe Hart. Okay. We're still 6 points ahead, but we should have won that game, guys. But games like these do happen sometimes, you know. So let's just hope that it won't affect like our morale against this. Won't like affect our morale for this game. Yeah, Champions League about to start soon. So for now, is injured. So we're debilitating a lot of players this round. Yeah, I'm supposed to be on my youngsters. Come on, Vini starts. Let's be on. Let's put Suchek there. And then let's go like that. Okay. Yeah, this should be a win game. Or I should get Ondoa at the start. Oops, that's fine. Let's change our midfield. Let's bring Hernando Sanchez. Drop Gagliardini back there. Let's just be on Young. Let's go on Bowen. Go like that. There you go. Let's go. 5-0 win. Yes. Alex Mera is a 10. That's fine with me. So let's see who's going to be our draw. Manchester United. Bloody Manchester United. That's going to be an obstacle for the way. We're bloody playing against Manchester United. Sorry guys, my recording thing. Something happened to my recording. But you guys don't know, our next game will be against Manchester United. Oh, oops, I kind of messed up training there. Oh, so this will be our last game of today's episode. Oh, Yusuf Attar is going up to 80. 79. Jules Koundé is almost there. That's very good. Arsenal's going through Bayer Leverkusen. Not tactics. Yeah. Let's see this guy. Attar. What is even any of his? I don't know. But whatever. It's fine. So this will be our last game against Manchester City. I'm probably going on our strongest starting 11. So Hernando Sanchez coming back on. Where is Pablo? Pablo Hua. I'm probably take him off. Let's go like that. And Gagliard. There we go. Okay, so this will be the last game of today's episode. Oh my gosh, look at their team. Ederson, Cancelo, Marquinhos, Jimenez, Laporte, Wijnaldum, Verratti. That is like a strong Manchester City team. Let's see if we can beat Manchester City. Oh, Jesus. No. I think I saw a score goal. I'm pretty sure I saw. Okay, so let's go like that. Yeah, that's still switching. Yeah, okay. Hernando Sanchez. No, Riyad Mahrez. No. Oh my. That is just sad. Oh. That is sad. I think we're probably going to be 3 points off the table, yeah. It's 3 points. Oh, it's got to be bloody Manchester. City's got to be 3 points above us. Oh, you guys. Oh, that concludes today's episode of the West Ham United Rebuild. If you guys did like this episode, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hope you guys have a great day, and peace out.